The beehive is made up of two parts. Down below we have the brood chamber, which is where all the baby bees, the queen, and all of the forage population and nurse bees live. And then up above we have the honey circles or honey boxes, where the honeycomb is and where the honey is stored. In between the two we have a queen excluder. When we are harvesting our honey, we come in with a bee escape board, which is the solid board with essentially some one-way valves in it. We put that between the honey boxes and the brood chambers, and it allows the bees over a 24 or 48 hour period to evacuate all of the honey frames and go down into the beehive. The next day our beekeeping team can come along and, without disturbing the colony too much, just remove those honey boxes hygienically and carefully. From the apiary site, where the hives are in Manuka production, we put all of the Manuka honey boxes onto a pallet. It's wrapped and it's sent straight to our extraction facility, and then we put the frames into a centrifuge and it's all spun out into a stainless steel vat. From there we put it in pots and send it all over the world, so it's a very natural and fast process from hive to jar.